kwa bad about my sports and brasso. Some of the latest are rather water no. Ebe small ewo jumedi so and then some of body coach eko bremano and I made a barber small home sports so and ebe ko papa ni dindi Henry Asante Kim GFA communication director so ye wakasa within komo bebre e afa GFA and I say Black Stars of Ghana omo head coach no also and ye failure to qualify to Morocco 2025 for no ono so akwedi won komo ayede won sam eso ebe ba small eso jumede no so ana former Gaka chairman papa ni dindi Alhaji Ali Raji ono so akwedi nkomo a ano so yebete ediamo eso jumede so ana yebeko akopie mu eso papa ni dindi Pichu Mosimani former coach Mamelodi Sundowns no ono so ensemble na efina so ye epa yede eba be small eso warm sports so this and many more and I made a barber small so jumede so bansana no obe like video no so won't subscribe to your channel now Mr. Selbe subscribe to your channel now my notification bell no so we are jaw comment for go as FFF na pian shell na wonua eso nya bi enhwe eso ho medi Lamela mena meden sam no e barber small eso jumede so me sha ase dia me sha ase e fi GFA communication director papa ni dindi Henry Asante Twum asoye Andra Sporty FM okwedi nkomo eso ho edefa the Blasters of Ghana ye head coach Anidini Otu Ado eso ho so na GFA president Kate Okreku woni se wonya an appointment eso CAF aso ya ono so akọ serve eso ho ni na no na papa Anidini Henry Asante Twum ono so ekwedi won nkomo eso Sporty FM eno so yebeti ediamo na okopie mu eso ho a ye bisa no se aden ntina papa Anidini Otu Ado other so ayed Blasters of Ghana coach eso ho woni se papa no modern mo enso ni even AFCON crown to me am fire and qualify and kopie mu eso ho by now I was saying komo bona na situ no so ofi Blasters for aso ye and no ana Henry Asante Twum oye communication director eso de ma GFA no ono so edit enchirimu edit way edit to job also say a base of results enka ye betumi conclude say Otu Ado enye the right person ono so ebetumi abe ye adwuma no eso ho so ananka omo appoint Otu Ado so ono so ambe take Blasters eso ho no also before the appointment of Otu Ado no omo GFA for no announce it to the public say ebeyedin ede ama coach bia ono so eba beji dwumedie no eso edi na so na Ghana fo ya aware say edwuma na omde ama Otu Ado no na eno so eyedin eso ho esansa na results on emba from papa Anidini Milovan Rajovic aso abreso so ana papa Anidini Chris Utimo abreso up to Otu Ado no mo amuni se results no enheda emba papa nti say based on results enkanya dia Otu Ado so ebeye the Blasters of Ghana omo coach eso ho ochire mu a papa Anidini Otu Ado after say ye failure yan qualify enkopie mu eso ewo AFCON 2025 national no report oreba no o cite say that is na enkoye so ana so oye call-outs the way players no epa no omo late omo arrival to the camps no na late eso ho ni na eka wonti a omo so omo ntumi ambo omo mode eso ho so ana o say injuries and some specific reasons binti ni na aka ho no omo failure omo ntumi qualify ankopie mu eso AFCON ase eso ho na papa Anidini Henry Asante Twum ono so echire mu say the Blasters of Ghana ya miss out from Africa Cup of Nations no utumi say a miss feeling pa or say especially ya say obenwu team bi to say Botswana any the rise omo ebo AFCON na Ghana eso enka or say ya pa eso ho a ono so edit to yenim eso odwumede no so wabra na on Sporty FM4 edi nkomo eso ho na yensembre no yenko na yenkotie nsama GFA communication director Henry Asante Twum audit tuja eso Sporty FM embra.
I think the new chairman of the management committee has already mentioned the fact that he will stay, and that's a decision that the Executive Council has taken. I am not part of the council. I only speak the position of the council.
So that's the GFA stance that
yes.
Otto Addo is staying.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, why?
Based on his report and some analysis that they made of the report, including challenges in the course of the qualifiers, and this cuts across different factors, and when he submitted his report, he made mention of a number of factors, varied factors, injuries, pre-game conditions, match fitness, even his own decisions. Sometimes some of these things played a major role in arriving at the results. But unfortunately, yes, I agree. Football is about results, or every sporting discipline is about results. I mean, you can put up the best team in place, the best structures, make the best decisions. In the end, if you lose, you've lost, and nobody will compensate you for losing a football match. So I understand. I perfectly agree with the position of Ghanaians. On my way here, I was listening to the show, and Raymond kept mentioning, why is Otto Addo still there? Why is Otto Addo still there? But yes, sometimes you ask questions based on results. One can easily conclude that he shouldn't be there. Personal ambition, yes, like you mentioned. Secondly, it's good to be among the elite on the continent, to be able to effect decisions when it comes to the African game. And one thing is that for the past 4 years, he has been attending executive committee meetings as a co-opted member.
Okay.
Because he is the president of WAFU. Yes, so all the sub-regional bodies have their presidents attend meetings as co-opted members of the executive committee. So when the opportunity came for him to contest, he threw in his hat through the support and advice from some of his colleagues on the continent. They believe that his contribution over the period have been good, and it will be important for him to serve on the committee. Luckily, he is going unopposed, because from our sub-region there is no contender.
Okay.
And that's very positive. At least we will have a voice to speak for Ghana. We will have a voice to speak for West Africa. One of the things, having worked with him, one of the things he is passionate about is the zonal competitions, where Ghana will always have to play against Cote d'Ivoire or Nigeria to fight for one slot, But African football is West Africa. You look at the success of African football on the global stage, and it's West Africa. When you play in a competition where Ivory Coast cancels out Ghana and Ghana cancels out Nigeria, he thinks it's not good enough. And this has always been his position, that that zonal competition must be scrapped.
And then Sama, GFA Communication Director, Papa Nidini Henry, Asante Chim, and also Eriko Tuja, SO Sporty FM. Na yate ediamo SO Warmer Sports so SO hasi yemfiwo na yenko PM SO Accra so folk fast omo former board chairman and anase former board member Papa ni dindi Frank Nelson ono so akwedi nkomo SO bebia o kire mu say Accra so folk omo so se ano de this season on betumi age FA Cup no edi esi omo na so saso na Ghana Premier League no edi esi omo na so or say enfan say omo start season eye no omo ono we gidi sakras of folks so ebetumi age league no edi esi na so saso na obetumi age FA Cup no eso esi na so eso ho nti fans no enkoma kuma ento omuyem when say this season across of folk about 18 matches okita 30 pointer other that 6th position eso league log no so and also met ediamo just 5 points per and as a 4 point per and I separate or more any Kumasi Asante Kotokwa and also Eddie Kain as our league table and also SO Hop and no na Frank Nelson former board member and also Eddie Akotu say across of folk amo owojide so omo so betumi agye like no any FA Cup no eso ho nti fans no enko makoma ento omuyem ono owojide wo boys no mo se nyama wabobọ so ni na no am so betumi achieve se season ebeba na wie no na omo so omo betumi achieve sa nyama ni na eno na nsama Frank Nelson ono so ede tu enim eso Warmer Sports a mete ede amo eso odwumede no so na emfi ona enkopie mu aso former Gaka chairman nso aso ye papa ne din di Alhaji Ali Raji ono so ekodi nkomo eso wa Asempa FM ewa Asempa FM Ultimate Sports Show no so na okotwetwe nkomo eso ho eno na yebisa no say before ansa no obefi Gaka aso ye no den legacy ono so ejaye eso ewo Gaka fo aso ye okire mu say oje legitimacy eso ewo Gaka fo aso ye eso ewo kisho say ono so obama Gaka a survive abra ofi wono so ofi wa ema Gaka collapse eso ho into ono oja big legacy eso ho legitimacy ono so ekire say Gaka so ebetumi a survive eso ewo omodwumede mu ye o video no ase medebe ma na also wahwe sa video no eso ho sa so ono okire mu a ne di ni Kwesi Antechi ene Keto Kreku administration ebisa no say why ono ohwa oya the best GFA president and so yenya eso okromu ase no okire mu say Kwesi Antechi ene papa ne syndicate Okreko no omo ye incomparable untumi compare mu mienu eso ho esanse Kwesi Antechi the best ever GFA president and so yenya eso wo oman mu also bia entumi compare no to Kwesi Antechi administration eso ho eno na nsama papa ne din Alhaji Raji ono so edetu yenim eso ewo dwumede no so saso na yebisa no nsam kakra the father Blasters of Ghana amoso omo felie entumi qualify enkopie mu eso AFCON 2025 no ono so de anu nchiremu eso edan eso ewo dwumede no so saso na yebisa no something about Kate Okreku so administration eso ho ye chiremu a Ghana fo esu sese de ye football no eye kun enye okra eso ye oman mu football no asai atete apansam eso e oman mu a ochiremu se Kate Okreku administration no bibia edida yi bibia edana akwanso eso football no enye bad asa nkofo eka say ya football na asay to extend say ye ntumi qualify okra ankopie mu eso ho AFCON eso ho o se enya sanete ya football na eya anasa nkakra ono beka chese football no eno so eye eso ho na the only program ye face eso Kwesi Antechi administration na say Kate Okreku administration no eye say the Blasters of Ghana almost feli qualify ankopie mu eso 2025 AFCON ebeto dwan eso ase saso and other national teams no almost lead up to expectations almost lead up to that expectations no and also and ne problem se sia FAC Kate Okreku administration eso no okachi obi ase Ghana for nyina say Ghana Blasters almost betumi qualify akopie mu 2026 FIFA World Cup and also ebeto dwa enso ase nti papa ne din Alhaji Ali Raji a former Gaka chairman no ono so in some way to dwa eso Asempa FM so and also yet ediamo yenkoti wa bra na odisa enkomo
ye nhwe wo legacy be na
legitimacy legitimacy just
anyway I say
in there we make sure that Gaka survives.
Tina ko je $9,000 besian.
Oh man, can $9,000.
Asemo. Between Kate and Kwesi Antechi, why now Beka say na administration o fair and so obo adwuma pa.
Well, there are two incomparable situations.
Oh yeah, sure.
No,
both of them are head of the Ghana Football Association.
Two incomparable situations, I'm telling you.
Ja.
You cannot compare.
How?
You cannot compare. No. I cannot compare because
maybe you cannot compare.
I cannot compare. Why I'm saying me cannot compare. Ketsun to mukande baby football Ghana football do you know, and I'm a Kwesi no we do not have no. You cannot say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now Kwesi have the best according to you, the Kwesi best change.
But he came out. He's now one of the best. He's not the best FA president that has ever come to this country.
Kwesi Nyantakyi.
Yeah, I think so. But for the small things that happen. For me, the medical academy say, you're qualified to the World Cup. The FA president doesn't have any choice.
Okay.
But to keep all of us together.
Okay.
And he must initiate it. It is possible. Our qualification to the World Cup is doable. Depending on how the FA president will receive this my message. Because he knows I've been silently talking to him on this issue. You see? And I'm talking to some of those close to him on this issue. It's very, very important.
Okay.
It's very important. Sometimes unity breaks bounds. You'll be surprised that after you've gotten ourselves united, the performance of the Black Stars could be turn into another positive thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
It's true.
I know what our football administrators they can do.
It's true.
Please, Mr. Ketukeku, if you are hearing me.
In some way, and Alhaji Ali Raji, former GACA chairman, on also editor in SO Jumedi so Mate Ediamo Yefo, then Kopiemo SO former coach Edema Mamelodi Sanders also an Ali of Egypt. Almost Papa Nidini Pichu, Mosimani, Unimese and Bia 2024 year, October more on signing contract Edema Iran Clubber, almost Omudini Estiglal Football Club SWL Irana. And then the manager say on it Estiglal for no every SWL while terminating the contract at the free Sabo Konuma and also Meti Ediamo SO Median so. Ni na say Papano na salary soon be Akemwa and Timino NTI and Famano SO Ama or the Quadai Timani Dini Estiglal Football Club and paying for say share na salary na kebuno omuntu within 24 hours say omuntu ya dia ade ono so ebe terminating no contract eso eho adwada na etwemu no ono de sansam no ekwada na mpayimfo no nanso mpayimfo na epo omani eguso a up to now omonfre no kra enka bibia emfa nche na and the papa ne di ne Pichu Mosmania oya former coach Edema Sanders also an Ali of Egypt no ono so terminating no contract with Iran Club and also met Ediamo SO Jumedian so. It is a sian here, Papa and Dini Pichu Mosmani, and also Uncle Chick Club Bia or ye free SO Team Bia or Penano, and also everything I can say, no Nina could in common SO what terminating the contract with Estiglala and also met Ediamo SO Jumedian so. Now yen few and then copy SO Europa, na European stories, Kakrebi. Yamfa enter to informal SO Jumedi no so. Na ukopie so Manchester United. Amoni apenti anidini Patrick Dugu. Ono so omoni newi Patrick Dugu. Amoni apenti ewi SO Jumedi so meti ediamo. The left back osi akan Edema Lecce SO Italian Serie A no mono. Amoni apenti ewi 30 million euros apenti ono. Omachi ama Abenton ABC akan ama Manchester United as well. Amuchiremo the 5 million euros and so ebe pay so amomo as add-ons as well. Nani na akwaya 35 million euros as well. And then the aba meti amo. Inter Benton ni Patrick Dogo or your left back Odema Lecce as well Italian Serie A no mono. Wabe PM as well Manchester United as well. Long-term contract and Abentiano. And that day, on the cyber signing with Manchester United SL and then the other met Ediamo. Now, Papa Nidini Ruben Amorin, this is the first signer on also was signing SL Bobo Kolma and also yet Ediamo. Apentian Eco Fancy competition with the likes of Apentian Nidini Look Sure, Apentian Nidini Tal. Malasiamo and SL Yashin Muson so being the best of form now the Manchester United Bobo Kono internally kakra if Manchester United fast way eba met Ediamo. Now finally my enquiry SL Real Madrid your career SL Madrid akwala kuma nidini Jesus Fonte apende we area kwada Madrid in paying for say enya hadia ono so ebe extending contract with team and the Real Madrid as well. The contract or no se bane we ya ono so ebe fi bobo kono with free agent ho na ni na ne say abanja no oye right back o si again Edma Madrid ho U side no omoman promotion ebaye na abanja na baye no o say nanka Dani Cavaya eniwa e so omoman akunja no no so ebe kire ne bobre ho bobo kono na so omo twa na abo a omo bo players out of position omo bo players position enyo omo de eso e was position wa ano ama abenta ne tin uses Fonte ono so anu koko apaya o se nya ade a ono so ebe sign contract no e de ama Real Madrid Football Club eno so meti e de amo eso e odwumede no so nti abenta ne tin uses Fonte ayo fullback e de Madrid no ade akwada ne mpanyimfo se enya ade a abe extend no contract e de ama Real Madrid eno so yate e de ama eso warm sports so mejina so na meden samani na esi e de ama eso odwumede so bansana no besro so be like video no subscribe to YouTube channel no notification bell no so na jaw comment fogu asefefefe pia share na wonua eso nye bi enhwe eso ho medin e de lamela na meden sam no ebeso